Figured out how I was going to attach this. The plexi piece, I'm just gluing it down with some black RTV, same stuff I use for headlights. So I'm gonna sit this on it, and then I got 3 screws going from the inside to the outside. That's gonna sandwich all of this together. So it's gonna screw into that piece, which is gonna hold this piece still. And when you look at it, it'll be no visible screws. Alright, so now the sides are connected, no screws showing, no worry about it coming apart. This part, if you pry on it, yeah, but since there's no screws on the front section, but it's not gonna come apart unless you want to rip it apart. But just gotta drop the radio in, and this will be full. And if he hadn't mentioned the speakers anymore, but if you still want to put them in there, you just mount them from the back like this. So you stick them in this way, and then screw them in from the back. And it's got mesh for the so the sound can get through. So no worries there. But yep, that's it. Oh, and this little plexi part right here is supposed to light up. The LEDs are somewhere in this bag. Yeah, so I'll just have to lay these. They'll be under it, facing up, so that should light this whole deal. But yeah, that's it for this one. So this is the finished touch with the radio in. I didn't have that little metal sleeve or whatever that I thought this was gonna come with, so I ended up using these little brackets that came with the equalizer. You can kind of see it in there, but I got them screwed into the side of the radio and then screwed in this way. The screws were too long, so I had some nuts from some other job, so I used them like a washer, so that way I can screw this in without the screws coming through the front. But yep, everything is in, so all I gotta do is take it to the customer and yeah, let them slap it in the box Chevy and it'll be done. And all of this is wired up together, so it's one positive going to all of these. So it's one wire coming out the back for positive, sitting here. So yeah, you'll get this one wire positive. It'll power up all of these. It's got one ground for all of them. And then it's another wire coming off of this switch, which is going to go to these LEDs to turn them on and off, and then they'll have to be grounded. But yeah, that's I think I covered everything. So LEDs will be at the bottom some sort of way, facing up, like under this, so it should make this little bar right here glow. The theory at least, but that should do that. And yeah, that's that. And this has got a green light too, so it'll match the green LED. So pretty dope. But about to clean this stuff up and take it to the box.